How can credentialing departments use these changes to improve internal workflows or secure more buy-in from leadership?
I really liked this question because it's one, showcasing what you know as a credentialing team, but also explaining it to your leadership levels, right? So making work easier internally. So utilizing these changes to improve internal workflows. I did one clear process. So get a single platform means less confusion and simpler steps. I noted easy scoring. If you're utilizing the NCQA side, it's met, partially met, and not met. It's easier to understand, and it helps simplify the areas of your current credentialing process and where you need to enhance them. And then from there, with that scoring, you can fix what's weak or what needs like a corrective action plan internally, right? So use the scoring to show exactly where to improve internally for your org. And then test run the accreditation. So utilize again that new interim survey option. It lets you practice before the real thing. So utilize those interim survey options to one, help gauge gaps in your processes, maybe areas of improvement. And then if you are able to justify utilizing the interim survey options, maybe the new tool that they have, you're able to express to leadership just how you were quickly able to identify the gaps and discrepancies in your current credentialing process, and how one, it's not only going to let you better manage your organization, but also have providers in your organization who are serving members in a more efficient and compliance on a compliance level, and then risk mitigation level. So you could speak to those. And then just clear training, making sure everyone learns the same, all those updated rules, everyone understands the changes to the NCQA guidelines. And if you already have a survey or a internal system today and you're using NCQA, utilize the changes, utilize the new survey options, utilize the new tools to help enhance your workflows. And from that, to secure more buy-in from leadership, I think if you're utilizing all those features that NCQA has in place, but also you're utilizing, let's say, a digitized platform to showcase the gaps in your current credentialing process, you can show efficiency to your leadership team. So highlight how not only the changes you made make the team faster, but less burdened, right? You're going to want to stress safety. So explain how following the new rules help the organization reduce risk for the for their teams, their clinics, your providers across the board. You can prove that you're compliant. So show how the changes help achieve or maintain that accreditation, because getting an accreditation with NCQA, it's not just a simple application and you're granted it. You have to go through many loops and policy reviews. And if you're doing the credentialing committee, like I think of it like a baby. Like you want to protect your baby and you want to make sure your organization is able to maintain that accreditation. So proving you're compliant across the board helps there. And then use the detail scoring to show why certain resources are necessary. So for instance, if you did that interim survey option and you notice you weren't meeting let's say the continuous monitoring requirement, you can emphasize how maybe you want a system in place that's going to help with the ongoing monitoring of those exclusion checks, not just at the federal level, but for maybe all the states that the providers may be licensed in as well. I noted here, be a leader in quality. So frame the changes as keeping the organization at the forefront of quality healthcare. I echo this loudly and proudly of you always want to be proactive versus reactive when it comes to credentialing. And then save money long-term. So you can point out how a smoother, how with all these changes, utilizing new interim survey option, utilizing the new tools, it not only enhance your credentialing process, but allowed for that smoother accreditation process. And also, let's say you were getting the survey done, you had everything ready to go. It can reduce costs because you're not having to, again, be reactive to your credentialing process or hire more teams to keep you at bay. You can just have a quick, streamlined credentialing approach, have everything ready when it comes to renewal of that accreditation. So when you're saving money in the long term, instead of hiring more overhead to help keep you guys at bay with your credentialing.